Welcome back to another Partner CPRM video tutorial. This time we're going to talk all about accessing and sharing member and respondent profiles. This comes after you customize and set them up, as well as after you upload your data and do some mapping and analysis. At that time, you should have some profiles that are populated and ready for you to view internally and share externally with your partners. So the first thing you're going to do to pull open and access your member profile is go to your member library here on the left and find the specific member that you want to learn more about. Click the name and then select the Profiles tab. And this will give us the option to choose which network we want to draw our data from to populate that member profile template. And so this is what it will look like based on what we've laid out. And you can, of course, view this online as I am right now. But then you can also have the option here of saving it as a PDF and printing it out or saving it to your computer. So I always like to make a point of encouraging people to do that, especially if their account or license is going to expire, to make sure you don't lose all of those. So that's the easiest way to open up any of your member profiles from any of your specific networks. But you can also do it from within the network analyzer as well. So, if I do swap over to the network map portion here, if I, am doing some network analysis here and I want to know more about this node here, for example, I can click the eye icon and this will also open up their member profile here. It'll be the exact same one that we just saw a moment ago. Yep, there it is. So those are two different strategies you can use to open those up internally. And it is important to note that you must be a member of the or a user of the platform and logged in to be able to use those links. There is one last option here. If I return to the actual capture or network survey here, if you open up the members tab or members list there, you also have the option to open up the member profiles directly from this network itself. This does, however, bring me to the second half of this video tutorial, which is sharing respondent profiles. These are the externally facing versions of the profiles, which you can customize under here in the member profile section. So if I want to send out some respondent profiles that have been specifically designed, for sharing externally, there are a couple of options on how to do this. Right here, as you probably noticed in the additional options menu, you can get a respondent profile link in addition to the member profile. So clicking this will just copy that link so that I can then hop over to an email, Slack, whatever your communication method is, and share that link with a specific user. And it will let them access that without logging in. They don't have to be a partner user. And so that's one of the biggest changes here about the respondent profile. The other popular way to share these is actually at the end of your survey. And so if I switch to the questions tab here, this will pull open the survey that was used to capture this data. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom under the submission message section, you'll see this selection box right here that says allow respondents to view their member profile overview. And so if you want members or respondents to your survey to be able to view their profile right away after they submit their results, all you have to do is select this box and it'll add this neat little button here for them to click and view it. You also have the option to use filters and logic if you want, so that, for example, only my nonprofit partners get access. And so, if there is a subgroup that you want to provide access, it's really easy to just create an attribute, that represents that, and connect that to some logic here. And so you do have some nice, customization options in terms of who sees what. That should do it. Actually, we have one other way I almost forgot. To share profile or respondent profiles, and that is going to be by email using our built-in template. And so, as you can see here, there are some different templates, and one of them is specifically for sharing member profiles. So you could, if you wanted, literally schedule it here. Or you can go over to the manual option and select the members that you would like to send it to, specifically. So if you want to set up an email template to share that profile, all you have to do is head over to the email template library here on the left side of the screen. And then we'll click add a new email template. And then under the starting template options, we have this respondent profile template. And this will actually automatically include a URL link for each individual's respondent profile. And so once again, this is just a nice, easy way to be able to provide them access, across your whole network all at once, without having to download everything one by one, for example. So that should do it for this video tutorial on sharing your profiles. I hope you learned a lot. Thanks.